Assalamualaikum drama fans. Dalalak jam si sama channel. The tension in TAKKEMA is rising fast, and episode 7 is shaping up to be a turning point. This is not just a preview, this is a deep dive into what the trailer is really telling us and what it might be hiding. Today we begin our full breakdown, where we explore the official preview and the first set of powerful theories. Let's get into it. The distractions and professional fallout. Right from the start of episode 7 trailer, we see a strong focus on one key idea: distraction. A character is described as being very distracted. Now, this is not random. This likely connects directly to the emotional confrontation we saw in episode 6, where personal emotions started interfering with professional responsibilities. In the dramas like TAKKEMA, when emotions and business collide, things fall apart. Here is the theory: this distraction could lead to serious consequences, possibly a conflict with a business partner or even a mentor. Prediction: expect a major mistake, maybe at construction site or within an important business deal. And once that happens, the stakes will rise instantly. Because now it's no longer just about love, it's about money, reputation, and survival. The single and childless declaration, one of the most striking lines in the trailer, is this bold statement: single and without children. Now, this line carries weight in the social world of TAKKEMA. Status is deeply connected to family and marriage, so making a statement like this is not casual. Viewer theory suggests this is a defensive move. The character is trying to reset their image, maybe to gain favor or to distance themselves from a past relationship. But here is the twist: this is not just statement, it's a strategy. Here is our prediction: we might see a calculated move, like a fake relationship or even a marriage of convenience, all designed for one purpose: to provoke jealousy, especially from Maria or someone close to her. The unshakable promise versus reality. At the end of episode 6, we heard a powerful claim. A character says he is unshakable, ready to move mountains. Sounds strong, confident, unstoppable, but in dramas like this, that kind of statement is always tested. The irony theory says the moment someone claims they are unshakable, that's exactly when everything begins to shake. Here is our prediction: episode 7 may introduce a hidden truth from the past, an ex relationship, a secret, or even a financial burden. Something powerful enough to break that confidence. Watch closely for that moment when one name is mentioned and his expression changes completely. The mother, innocent or strategic in episode 6, Maria's mother appeared gentle, sweet, almost harmless. But experienced viewers know, in stories like this, the calmest character is often the most dangerous. Here is viewer's theory: that sweetness is not innocence, it's observation. She is watching, analyzing, and gathering information. Here is our prediction: in episode 7, we may see a private moment where the mask drops, a conversation with someone else revealing her real intentions. Because this may not just be about Maria's happiness, it could be about control, influence, and long term strategy. And this is just the beginning. There is still a lot more to uncover, especially around the theme of trust and the psychological game each character is playing. So tell me, now we take things to another level, because now we are not just looking at events, we are diving into the psychology behind them. This is where TAKKEMA becomes a game of mind, a battlefield of trust, strategy, and hidden intentions. Let's continue the deep dive. The trust paradox. The Khan theory, one of the most powerful lines from episode 6 was this: La confiance commence par Khan. A clever wordplay, but also a dangerous message, because Khan can mean a fool. Here is the theory: trust begins with someone being fooled. Fans believe this line is not just dialogue, it's foreshadowing a major betrayal. Someone in this story is pretending to be weak, pretending to be neub, but in reality, they are watching everything and waiting. Here is our prediction. In episode 7, expect a test, a phone left unlocked, a message left visible, a document placed just within reach, not by mistake, but on purpose, to see who breaks the trust first. And when that happens, the trust won't be quiet, it will explode into confrontation. The invisible antagonist, the family portfolio. Up until now, we have heard a lot about business, construction sites, expansion, deals. But there is one thing missing, the inventors. We haven't seen who is really behind the money. Weaver theory suggests, what if Maria's family is secretly connected to her partner's rival? What if the real enemy is not outside, but already inside the circle? Here is our prediction. Episode 7 may bring powerful contrast. A romantic moment interrupted by business reality. Imagine this. A quieter dinner, emotional conversation, and suddenly a phone call, a crisis, a decision, love or survival. Because this time he may not be able to choose both. The social intelligence trap. Now, this is where things get really deep. Episode 7 is shaping up to be a masterclass in social intelligence. Maria has always shown emotional strength. She understands people, she supports, she protects. But the trailer shows something different. She looks distracted. Here is the theory. She is starting to realize something critical. Emotional strength alone, it is not enough. Because now she is fighting two fronts, her family and partner's hidden past. Here is our prediction. Watch for powerful mirror moment, a scene where Maria gives advice to someone else. Advice that she herself is falling to follow. This is a classic storytelling move. It shows one thing clearly. She is beginning to crack from the inside. The secret child rumor. Now, here comes one of the biggest fan theories right now. In the trailer, we heard it clearly. Single and without children, but instead of believing it, fans are questioning it. Here is the theory. When something is denied so strongly, it usually means the opposite is true. This is a classic drama setup, a hidden truth waiting for the perfect moment. So here is our prediction. Episode 7 could end with shocking cliffhanger, a knock on the door or a phone call, and the other side a child voice, one moment that destroys everything, the image, the confidence, the unshakable claim gone. Now here is the bigger picture. Every character in TAKKEMA is wearing a mask. The gentle mother, the strong lover, the focused businessman, but these masks are starting to crack. Episode 7 may be the moment the first mask falls, and once that happens, nothing will stay the same. This story is building towards something bigger. So far, we have explored the emotions, the mind games, and the hidden tensions, but now we focus on something even more powerful. How the conflict is built and who might secretly destroy everything from within. Let's get into the final breakdown. The secondary character sabotage. While the main characters take the spotlight, the real danger might be coming from the background. The friends, the confidants, the people who no one suspects. Here is the theory. That loyal friend we saw in episode 6 may not be loyal at all. Fans believe this person could be secretly working for a rival, or even for someone within the family, watching, listening, and waiting for right moment. Here is our prediction. Episode 7 may reveal a major leak, a private conversation once trusted, will be used as a weapon, and when that moment hits, expect one powerful line. I thought I could trust you, because this is where the story shifts from outside pressure to betrayal from within. The visual language of distraction. Now let's talk about something subtle but very important. The way TAKKEMA tells its story visually. In the trailer, we see a character described as very distracted, but it's not just the dialogue, it's in the camera. The theory. When the character is losing control internally, the camera reflects it, focusing on small details, hands, wounds, movements of silence. Here is our prediction. In episode 7, Maria's mental state will be shown without words. Even in a crowded scene, she may appear alone, standing at the edge of the frame, disconnected. This is called an isolation shot. And it sends one clear message: she is there physically, but emotionally she is drifting away. The Thursday night cliffhanger. Now let's talk about what everyone is waiting for, the ending. Because if there is one thing Takema does perfectly, it's the cliffhanger. Here is the theory that single and childless line from the trailer is not the full scene. Something happens right after it, something big. Here is our prediction. Just as the statement is made, someone enters, our phone reveals the truth, or a voice is heard that changes everything. And then the screen cuts to black. No answers, just shock. Number 1. The lie. Is he really single and childless or hiding a secret life? Number 2. The mother. Is she protecting Maria or controlling her future? The crash. Will the business survive or collapse under emotional pressure? At this point, every character in Takema is under pressure. The masks are breaking, the truth is getting closure. And the episode 7 might be the moment everything changes. So get ready, because when the truth finally comes out, it won't just shake one character, it will shake the entire story. If you like and watch this preview, then like the video and share your thoughts in the comment section, and also subscribe to Episode Valley for more. See you in the next video. Till that, bye bye.